Working with carbon numbers at Ipswich High School, we've had significant cost savings and energy savings across a long period of time, about 7 years. That's allowed us to plan strategically for the improvement work in partnership with carbon numbers.
Set on the banks of the River Orwell, Ipswich High School comprises a magnificent Grade 1 listed mansion, beautiful grounds and world-class sporting facilities. The estate team faced increasing challenges in managing energy use and comfort across the school's mix of historic and modern buildings. To address these challenges, Ipswich High School commissioned building energy management specialist Carbon Numbers to integrate its building energy management systems and install smart solutions.
We've been working with the school since 2018. Initially, we undertook an energy and asset audit, and then we made a plan for delivering savings and modernising the facilities. With a school estate such as this one, we had several challenges. For instance, there was no site-wide network. They were running several building energy management systems, all in isolation. There was very little existing data or drawings for the buildings, and limited capital was available to the school for such initiatives. Woolverstone Hall is a grade listed building, so we had several challenges. There was minimal metering, zero visibility beyond the plant rooms.
Over a period of 18 months, Carbon Numbers installed an integrated control solution built around the Trend IQ vision system.
Our interface allows us to look at real-time live performance data, and that allows us to see the energy data and assess any areas for energy saving opportunities. Sub-metering allows us to see the energy usage of various different buildings, various different pieces of equipment within the school. And that allows us to build a picture of what's using the most energy, how we can target that and hope to reduce that. The school has 4 oil storage tanks. Previously there used to be someone who would go around, take readings of the oil levels, and then basically would have to order however much oil they thought the school would need. Now we have that on a dashboard on our cloud. That allows us to see remotely how much oil is left in each of the tanks. We don't have to physically go around and visit all 4 of the tanks spread out across the school. And that allows us to proactively monitor the usage, order based on whenever the tanks are getting low. So we monitor oil prices and we advise the school on the optimum time for purchasing oil.
The fact that the Trend IQ Vision system is hosted on our Carbon Numbers cloud platform has given the school a level of data, access and support that simply wasn't available before. We were able to monitor and manage the site 24/7, diagnose issues within 15 minutes and fix 90% of them remotely. By having extensive sub-metering, you can really drill down into where the energy is being used, and this can be used to monitor operations such as the swimming pool. With our smart sockets, we can monitor power usage of items that are either critical, such as fridges, or power-hungry technology such as classroom smart monitors and photocopiers, things that are typically left on standby. And we can program the non-critical items to power on when required in the morning and off again at the end of the school day.
Following the completion of the first phase of the project, the successful delivery of the Trend IQ vision system, the school's lighting was upgraded using Honeywell's XOR lighting controls and new LED light fittings.
Energy efficient lighting is a big part of what we offer to our clients. We can monitor the occupancy through the PIRs, which we can then control the lighting and the heating demand by looking at the occupancy data. Our lighting solution allows for a 3D design and also for remote testing of the systems. Also, new fittings create 80% savings straight away. As part of our regular reporting, we're able to show the data in terms of kilowatt hours, CO2 emissions and financial savings.
So working with carbon numbers has allowed us to plan strategically over the long term. For example, planning on the forthcoming solar project, which will see many of the buildings across the estate covered in solar panels, which allows us to predict those savings and then plan for additional infrastructure projects across the estate.
Every project is different and no 2 buildings are the same, but our approach remains consistent. We use smart technology and data-driven strategies to reduce costs, reduce carbon and improve the built environment.
Well, the improvements that have been made allow everybody in our community to benefit, our staff, our pupils and community groups as well, in terms of improved lighting, improved warmth and knowing that we're doing our bit to help the planet.
Start your net zero journey at carbonnumbers.co.uk.